The artificial intelligence sector is rapidly transforming the global job market, with 2026 poised for significant shifts. While some roles will be displaced, reports indicate a substantial net gain in employment opportunities. The World Economic Forum projects a net increase of 78 million jobs by 2030, with AI driving significant economic productivity gains in 2026. Entry-level positions are diversifying quickly. High demand is emerging for roles such as AI security and risk analysts, AI research assistants, and data annotation specialists, offering new pathways into the field. Beyond entry-level, core technical AI roles remain crucial. Companies are actively seeking AI engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, and prompt engineers to build and refine intelligent systems. The landscape is further shaped by generative AI content creators becoming essential. Looking to 2026, the acceleration of agentic AI is a key trend, where systems autonomously perform complex, multi-step tasks. Success in this evolving market hinges on acquiring new skills. In-demand proficiencies include data preparation and analysis, hands-on experience with generative AI tools, cloud basics, and responsible AI knowledge. Crucially, human capabilities like adaptability, problem-solving, and communication are paramount. The future workforce will increasingly rely on seamless human-AI hybrid teams. As AI integration expands, ethical oversight and AI governance roles are also gaining critical importance, ensuring responsible AI development and deployment. Ultimately, thriving in 2026's AI-driven economy means continuous learning and strategically adapting human skills to effectively complement evolving AI capabilities. Code red at OpenAI. Sam Altman is pausing major projects to fight back against Google's surging Gemini models. The AI arms race is peaking. Big tech is battling for total dominance right now. Disney just dropped $1 billion into OpenAI. Mickey Mouse is coming to Sora too. Soon, you can generate Marvel and Star Wars clips legally. This changes the future of Hollywood content creation forever. Google is striking back with Gemini 3 Flash. It is 3 times faster than before. Sundar Pichai claims it outperforms Pro models at a lower cost. High-intelligence AI is now truly instant. Nvidia is now shipping 1,000 Blackwell racks every single week. Production is at full throttle. Jensen Huang's empire is powering the world's largest data centers at an unprecedented, massive scale. The White House just summoned the AI giants. The Genesis mission is officially live. Tech leaders are partnering with the government to supercharge research. AI is now a core national security priority. OpenAI's valuation is nearing a staggering $900 billion. Amazon and SoftBank are pouring in tens of billions. The race for human-level intelligence is costing more than anyone ever imagined. Google and Meta are teaming up to break Nvidia's monopoly. They are making PyTorch run seamlessly on Google's TPUs. This alliance could finally give developers a real alternative to Nvidia's hardware. Looking toward 2026, the focus shifts to Nvidia's Rubin chips. These promise triple the performance of Blackwell. The AI revolution isn't slowing down. We are entering the era of truly autonomous agents. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace. From groundbreaking new models to critical environmental discussions, here's a rapid-fire look at the top AI news shaping our future this week. Leading the charge, OpenAI has officially launched GPT-5.2, hailed as their most capable model yet for professional knowledge work. It boasts significant advancements in general intelligence, context understanding, and tool calling, reportedly slashing hallucination rates by over 60% in complex tasks.
Across the Atlantic, French firm Mistral AI unveiled a suite of new open-source multilingual models, including Mistral Large 3. These models aim to democratize high-end AI, making advanced capabilities accessible on diverse devices, from cloud servers to smartphones, regardless of language or internet access. They also launched DevStral 2 for agentic coding.
Nvidia isn't holding back, introducing its third generation of open-source Nematron language models. Designed to be faster, cheaper, and smarter for writing and coding, these models reinforce Nvidia's commitment to open-source AI amidst increasing competition from global tech firms. In a groundbreaking application, NOAA is transforming weather forecasting with new AI-driven models. These systems promise significantly faster and more accurate predictions, using up to 99% less computing power and extending forecast accuracy by nearly a full day. This marks a new era for meteorology. AI is also revolutionizing creative sectors. Roblox, for instance, is now integrating advanced AI into its studio platform, empowering creators to accelerate game development and unlock new possibilities for interactive experiences. Meanwhile, Google continues its strong push in AI with the recent launch of Gemini 3, their most intelligent model to date. They are also bringing state-of-the-art Gemini translation capabilities directly into Google Translate, enhancing global communication. Finally, a critical report highlights AI's growing environmental footprint. In 2025, AI-related CO2 emissions are estimated to equal New York City's entire output, with water usage surpassing global bottled water demand, raising urgent calls for sustainable AI development. Today, we are witnessing a massive acceleration in agentic capabilities as we head into the final days of the year. OpenAI has officially pulled the curtain back on GPT-5.2 codex, which they are calling their most advanced agentic coding model to date. This isn't just a minor update. The model demonstrates a significant leap in long-horizon task management and complex refactoring. Early benchmarks show that 5.2 codex can autonomously handle multi-step software migrations that previously required human oversight, marking a pivotal shift in how developers interact with large-scale codebases. Google has countered OpenAI's recent moves by making Gemini 3 Flash the default engine across its entire ecosystem, including the Gemini app and Search's AI mode. This rollout marks a significant strategic pivot, as Flash now provides the complex reasoning capabilities of the Gemini 3 Pro model, but with the latency of a traditional search query. Benchmarks from artificial analysis confirm that Gemini 3 Flash is 3 times faster than previous versions, effectively removing the wait time that has long plagued generative search. By deploying this high-speed intelligence globally, Google is betting that raw speed will keep them ahead in the market. Anthropic is making waves today with the release of a new open standard for AI skills. This initiative allows users to teach Claude repeatable, complex workflows that can be shared across different platforms, mirroring the success of the Model Context Protocol. Alongside this, Anthropic has launched a public beta of its Claude Chrome extension for all paid subscribers. This agentic tool can navigate websites, fill out complex forms, and manage calendars directly within the browser. By open-sourcing the underlying skill framework, Anthropic is positioning Claude as a portable, cross-platform agent that can operate autonomously across the entire web. OpenAI has also surprised the creative community with the release of GPT Image 1.5, an update originally slated for early 2026. This new model delivers image generation speeds up to 4 times faster than previous versions, while introducing a level of localized editing precision that was previously impossible. A new Creative Studio tab within ChatGPT allows users to perform surgical edits, such as changing a single facial expression or adjusting specific lighting elements without altering the rest of the image. This rapid release appears to be a direct response to Google's recent visual advances, underscoring the relentless pace of competition. In the world of hardware and geopolitics, the Trump administration has officially initiated a review that could allow Nvidia to begin shipping its H200 AI chips to China. This policy change includes a 25% government fee on all sales, a move designed to keep American firms dominant while funding domestic initiatives. Concurrently, a new report from the Council on Foreign Relations predicts that by 2027, Nvidia's flagship processors will be 17 times more powerful than their closest Chinese competitors. This staggering performance gap highlights the immense lead U.S. silicon continues to hold, even as international rivals race to develop alternatives. One of the most ambitious stories of the week involves OpenAI's roadmap to transform ChatGPT from a simple application into a full-fledged operating system. The company recently appointed Glenn Coates as the head of app platform to lead this transition. The vision for a ChatGPT OS involves a world where users no longer toggle between separate apps for writing, coding, or services. Instead, the AI acts as the primary interface for all computing tasks. Supported by partnerships with giants like Adobe and Canva and a rumored hardware collaboration with Jony Ive, OpenAI is clearly aiming to redefine the nature of computing. On the regulatory front, New York Governor Kathy Hochul has signed a landmark law requiring advertisers to clearly disclose the use of AI-generated people and synthetic avatars in commercial content. This move reflects growing concerns over slop, the industry term for low-quality AI filler, and the potential for consumer deception. Meanwhile, Anthropic has unveiled new safety classifiers for Claude, specifically designed to handle sensitive conversations regarding mental health and self-harm with greater care. These updates emphasize a growing industry-wide shift toward accountability and safety as AI models become more deeply integrated into our daily lives. As we wrap up this December 20th update, the state of artificial intelligence at the end of 2025 is characterized by a transition from chat to action. We are no longer just talking to models, we are delegating entire workflows to them. From OpenAI's agentic coding leaps to Google's lightning-fast search integration and Anthropic's open skill standards, the infrastructure for a fully autonomous digital economy is being laid. As we look toward 2026, the focus will likely shift from model size to agentic reliability and the emergence of specialized AI hardware. Artificial intelligence continues its rapid expansion, impacting healthcare, communication, and global markets. We're seeing major model releases, crucial ethical discussions, and significant investment shifts. In healthcare, AI is making remarkable strides. Advanced medical imaging and personalized medicine are now detecting conditions with greater speed and accuracy and reducing administrative burdens on providers. Generative AI models are also revolutionizing global communication. New advancements allow for more nuanced and culturally accurate multilingual interactions, adapting messaging for diverse audiences. On the model front, Google recently launched Gemini 3 and Gemini 3 Pro, showcasing significant improvements in reasoning and coding. This follows Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5, setting new benchmarks in November, outperforming human engineers in tests. However, ethical considerations are paramount. The EU AI Act is rolling out new obligations, and discussions highlight the inescapable nature of AI errors, especially in critical fields like healthcare, where human oversight remains essential. Research also reveals how AI chatbot personalities can be manipulated, raising significant safety and regulatory concerns. Economically, AI stocks are surging. Memory chip maker Micron's stronger-than-expected results reinvigorated investors yesterday. Major players like Amazon are in talks to invest billions in AI, reflecting massive capital expenditures in data centers, with Red Hat also acquiring firms for AI trust and security. Corporate adoption is accelerating, with Tata Consultancy Services upgrading its flagship platform with the new TCS BaNCS AI Compass for banking and security services. Globally, the UN launched a new AI resource hub this week, centralizing over 750 initiatives to enhance discoverability and alignment of AI activities worldwide, signaling a coordinated push for responsible AI development.